Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite types of fishing, perch fishing. Perch are a popular game fish that can be found in many bodies of water, including lakes, rivers, and streams. They're fun to catch, and they make for great eating too. But when it comes to catching perch, having the right lure can make all the difference. There are a lot of different lures out there that can work well for perch, but which ones are the best? That's what we're going to explore in this video. We'll take a look at some of the most effective perch fishing lures, including jigs, spinners, and crankbaits. We'll discuss the different types of lures, their colors and sizes, and when and where they're most effective. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, you're sure to find some helpful tips and tricks in this video. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the best perch fishing lures. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what lures to use and how to use them to catch more perch. So let's get started. Number 1. THKFISH Soft Swim-Bait Fishing Lures. Listen, I get it. You've probably seen hundreds of rubber fish-alike lures and are looking for something just a little bit different to give you that edge. Right? Well, my friends, you are in the right place. When out on the bank, this lure does look a little alien, but wait until you pull it through the water. I don't think I have seen a lure that swims in such a lifelike fashion. It is super easy to set up, too. Hook it straight onto a regular hook, or alternatively pair it with a jig head and let it sink to the bottom where you can twitch it, perfectly imitating a baitfish that has seen better days. This lure is available in 8 different colors. If it was me, I'd go for the red or dark brown, both of which are well-known perch magnets. One standout feature is the size. At 3.5 inches, it is just the right balance, enough to put off smaller nuisance fish but not so big as to scare away perch, who can be a little timid if faced with a meal that looks a little large. Number 2. LUNKERHUNT Straight-Up Jig Fishing Lure. If it is small, silver and swims, you've got an excellent chance that a perch is going to try and destroy it. Perch love shads, especially live ones. If you can't get live, or lack the inclination to spend your day nursing a bucketful of tiny fish, then this is a great option. As with the Rapala lure, this offering is rigged to be fished in circles from above. With a realistic-looking pair of eyes and a natural scaled finish, the perch will be into this in no time. The Lunker Straight-Up Jigs features high-quality components such as ultra-realism, shad profile, fast sinking, high-quality hooks, double treble, and fixed face and tail hooks. Work them aggressively for reaction strikes or slowly for feeding strikes. Straight-up jigs catch fish under all types of fishing conditions. This lure is slightly larger than I'd normally use. It is best deployed if you are confident that there are big perch around or you find yourself constantly bothered by a shoal of smaller fish. Number 3. DR.FISH 6-Pack Soft Plastic Baits. Right, enough of premium branded lures for the time being. Let me show you something that offers excellent value for money and is just as effective as anything produced by the likes of Rapala. These soft plastic baby shads are just perfect for tempting perch. They look pretty realistic and are available in a range of colors. This kit includes just the body, so you will need to invest in a few jig heads, but you'll be good to go from then on. Diverse posture and jumping around when being attacked by big fish. They are designed to be jigged up and down. The darting motion works well to attract perch and also other predatory species such as crappie. Want to know the most effective color for ice fishing for perch? Go for watermelon. Thank me later. The soft lure is re-engineered silicone made, well balance of softness and strength, withstand all monsters tearing. Number 4. DOVESUN Fishing Underspin Jig Heads. Remember before when I was talking about jig heads? Do yourself a favor. Invest in a pack of these. I love them for a few reasons. The first is the shape. They are engineered to stay the right way up in the water, and the streamlined shape means they let your jig body swim freely. And there's more. They glow in the dark. This makes them the ideal solution for use when ice fishing at night. Finally, let's talk blades. Each jig head comes with its own tiny spinner blade. This will add a hint of thrashing and vibration during the retrieve, which really gets the perch going. Great jig head with blade. The willow blade is long and skinny, providing additional fish attracting flash with bright willow blade. Willow blades spin the fastest so the vibration is tighter. The blade spins and vibrates as the bait travels through the water, giving it some additional action and flash. You could even consider using these with a real-life night crawler to get the best of both live bait and a lure, all in one lethal package. Number 5. GOTURE 4 Minnow Fishing Bait. What did the minnow say to the pike? Nothing, it was already bitten in half. Pike are ruthless as far as minnows go, so get your cast right, and you can take advantage of their brutal nature. The best way to do this? A nice soft plastic that looks and swims just like a minnow. These jig heads for northern pike, with different colored bodies, are perfect when you are trying to work out just what they are after. The best color? Do yourself a favor. Start with the gold one and rig it on the red jig head. 3D eyes and realistic swimming action make it a powerful tool for fishing anglers. Soft bodies with internal lead heads and soft tails for longer casting, and black nickel barbed hook for higher hookup ratio. 5 color are available to choose. Vivid colors will bring amazing response and more attractive to fishing targets. These little paddle tails go like the clappers and look just like a fleeing small fish, especially when retrieved quickly.